Here's Rebecca. She's 4 months old. We're gonna see if she rolls over. Okay? Whoa! You did it! Good girl. I didn't really get that. Are you happy you rolled over? Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Say hi, Mommy. Let's try it again, okay? Let's try it again. Yeah, okay. Come on. Go back. Come on, let's go back. Whoopsie daisies. Whoop, there's your bald spot. Come on, roll over again. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah? You happy? Let's show everybody how you can hold your toy. I don't know where your toy is. Say hi. Okay. Say bye-bye.